Hi guys, it's been so long since we chatted. Let's get into this makeup though. If the lighting is going in and out, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to still learn how to film in my new place, and I would love to use natural light, but it's just not the most reliable, not the most consistent. I don't mind using artificial light, but you just don't get the same glow that you get when you're filming with natural light. And for a makeup video, I feel like that's very important. I'm obsessed with my new vanity. I got this from Amazon. You guys can't see the full thing, but I feel like once you can, you'll be obsessed with it just as much as I am. I'm trying to go for like a Victorian vibe in my bedroom, or like a princess, but all whites and golds. So something like a little bit more luxurious than I had in my other bedroom, which was kind of more minimal style. I'm trying to go a little bit more romantic in this bedroom. But I got this vanity from Amazon and I absolutely love it. It has lights which are dimmable, which I didn't know until I got it. I thought the lights just came off and on, but I've been using it a lot and it's been so nice to not do my makeup on the floor. So my vanity's here and I've been looking for a bed to match the same kind of vibe. I've been checking Facebook Marketplace a lot, but the antique ones that are on there usually don't come in a queen size. It's more of like just full or twin. I don't know if they're designed to be like girls' beds, like younger girls' beds. But yeah, it's been a little hard finding something that'll fit my bed because I have a queen bed, and trying to find something that matches this aesthetic is a little bit harder than just going to, you know, maybe Wayfair or Amazon. And I do want to thrift it because I feel like the antique ones have a lot more character to them. The new ones have character, but you gotta pay for it. So I was like, you know what, let me at least look, see what's around. I am on Facebook Marketplace like literally every day, probably twice a day, looking for things, and I found so many cool things on there that are useless to me. I want to buy everything, but realistically, I'm like, what am I gonna use that for? Where's that gonna go? That doesn't match my decor. And I'm trying to stick to this theme where it's like more French Victorian romantic in my bedroom, and then 70s space age modern in the living room, which is quite a contrast, but it's just the two things that I'm into right now. But yeah, other than the vanity, everything else is coming together quite nicely. I got some things for the kitchen, like a microwave and a toaster oven, because when I moved with my bed, my locker, and my mirror, and that was all the furniture that I brought. I didn't bring any other furniture. So I have to get everything, but it's coming along nicely. I have pretty much everything I need for the kitchen. I think I want to get a stand for the microwave and the toaster oven, and I still need to get a rice cooker. So I want to get that on the rack as well, because I hate those things taking up space on the countertops. But yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see it all come together. The next thing that's on the list is my couch. My couch was supposed to be delivered yesterday, but it won't be coming until next Thursday, which I'm like, great, another week. Here's the silver lining. They're like, if it doesn't come by next Thursday, you can get a full refund. And I was like, if I'm still gonna get the couch and have a full refund, this can work. I will accept that fate. If I get no couch, I will be very upset, because I found like a designer dupe on Amazon and that was the cheapest one I saw. So I'm like, after this, I'm not sure where else I can get it for this low of a price. And this couch was not that cheap. When you take into consideration taxes and delivery charges, things are adding up quick. And guys, the couch is absolutely stunning. It's green, not velvet, it's like chenille, but it's a shorter, like, I don't want to call it short hair because it's not really hair, it's like a woven situation, but it's very short. And it's like an emerald green, and it's like super 70s space age inspired. It's very low to the ground. It's almost mid-century, but not quite. And it just looks like a whole bunch of green pillows all put together to make a couch. It looks so luxurious and comfortable all at the same time, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. I hate telling you guys about all the fabulous things that I'm gonna have in my apartment and you can't even see it yet, but I just want to give you some kind of idea of what the apartment's gonna look like, because I don't think I want to show you guys as I get things. I think I want to hold off and wait until I have like at least a room put together before I give you guys the tour. But overall, I'm very excited and happy to be here, because the process to get here was actually insane. Because no, like, let's talk about how I was all set to move to Texas with my mom, and all of a sudden I got a new job and then had to move to a different state than her. So it was literally like I was planning 2 different moves. It was absolute chaos being like, okay, we're planning this one truck to come get the stuff on this day, and then we got to plan the other truck to get my stuff on a different day, and like the back and forth with the truck companies, and like who's gonna, like, are we gonna ship the car, are we gonna drive? It's like quite a far drive from Florida. It was a lot. If there was ever a time where I needed like ultimate organization skills, it was then. Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna rain. But yeah, I'm settling in quite nicely. Work is good, life is good. I honestly cannot complain. I love my apartment, I love my new job. I miss hanging out with my mom on the day-to-day. Like, I kind of miss someone being at home with me, and then like also having to cook for someone, because I would do the cooking for dinner. And having another person to cook for kind of made me accountable for them eating. So then I would always be eating on a regular schedule. Now that it's just me, I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, I don't mind cooking, but it's like I need a break right after work so that I can like sit down and do nothing and think about nothing. I don't know if you guys can hear, but that thunder in the background, it's giving Hater, and it's also giving Miami, because I swear to God, there was no clouds in the sky when I started. And this is something that I hope is not carrying over from when I used to live in Florida. And every time I would turn on the camera, it would be like, oh, surprise, there's a thunderstorm. It's giving Hater behavior. What's going on with you guys? Are you guys gonna go see that Barbie movie? It's all over my social media, and you can't avoid it if you tried. I'm sure people who don't even have social media are sick of hearing about the Barbie movie. Not to mention, that marketing team needs a vacation, a full paid vacation, because they've been promoting this movie since like last year. And I'm like, why did you start so early? Because right now I'm so sick of hearing about it. I don't know, at some point I'm just like, it's too much press. You know, I'm glad it's out and they can finally chill, but now I have to deal with seeing all the memes that are gonna be about the movie and like everybody's comments and reactions, and I'm like, when will it end? That was actually crazy, putting on eyeliner from this far away. Shout out to LASIK for giving me 2015 vision. This is the color that I want to try. Ooh, very pigmented. This is what I love about Morphe palettes. But yeah, I have a couple of fun things coming up that I can't wait to film for you guys. I have a trip coming up to Colorado, and then I have another international trip coming up that I'm really excited about. So yeah, there will be a lot of fun things coming up on the channel. Can you guys hear the rain? It's like, can I get a break, please? Oh wow, it must have been a summer shower because it just stopped raining. I don't know why the eyes are giving me Disney villain. Maybe it's like Ursula. I should look that up. And you know what? I meant to go see The Little Mermaid too, but I just was so busy. The only movie that I made sure to have time for was Spider-Man. And I won't give you guys any spoilers, but to those who have seen it, what did you guys think about the ending? Because for me, it's a love-hate situation. But they're coming out with another one pretty soon, so I can't wait to see that one. And for all the trash that I talked about Barbie, I'm still gonna go see it. Not on a Friday, but I'll pick a Tuesday and go see it for half price. Also, did you hear that they're making like spin-off series already for like the Barbie cinematic universe? I don't know if they're doing more movies or more TV shows, but they've already planned it. And to be honest, I don't know how I feel about that. It's just like, this is cute, now do something else. There's so many other good ideas out there. What should we do for the lips? I'm loving a dark liner lately. Some lip gloss will set this off. Let's add those beauty marks. I've been doing this one a little higher lately just because I feel like with my nose coming in, the lines, my smile lines have come in a little bit more. So to like bring my face back out, or the attention on my face back out, instead of doing my dot here, I've been doing it over here on my bottom cheek. And it's my new go-to. Oh, and I've been going anti-liner, anti-lash. How do we feel about that? It's very unlike me. I love a lash. I feel like it just brings everything together, but I'm really loving the natural lash look right now. I don't know how long that's gonna last because I am a little lash girly. But yeah, I think this is the final look. This was absolutely lovely getting to catch up with you guys and let you guys know what's been going on, what I'm doing now, and what I will be doing in the future. Let me know what you guys think of the makeup look, and thank you guys so much for hanging out. Bye.